Everyone, welcome back to the refrigerator. Today's special guest is my husband, Vinny, and we are going to read to you I Am a Frog by Mo Willems. Ribbit. Ribbit.
Piggy?
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
What are you doing, Piggy?
I'm a frog.
You are a frog?
Yes.
I did not know that. I was sure you were a pig. You look like a pig, and your name is Piggy.
I was a pig. Now I am a frog. Ribbit.
I learn something new every day. When did you become a frog?
About 5 minutes ago.
5 minutes ago? 5 minutes ago, she was a pig. Now she is a frog?
Ribbit.
What if I become a frog? Hopping all day, eating flies.
Ribbit.
I do not want to be a frog.
It's okay, Gerald. It is pretend.
It is the end?
No, Gerald. Pretend. I am pretending.
What is pretending?
Pretending is when you act like something you are not.
Wow. And you can just do that? You can just go out and pretend to be something you are not?
Sure. Everyone pretends.
Even grown-up people?
All the time.
You really do learn something new every day.
Do you want to give it a try, Gerald? Do you want to pretend to be a frog? Ribbit.
I cannot.
Yes, you can. Ribbit.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
Yes, you
no,
can.
I can't.
Yes,
no,
you
I can't.
can.
No,
Yes,
I
you
can't. No, I
can.
can't.
Yes, you
no,
can.
I can't. No, I can't.
Gerald, why can't you pretend to be a frog?
Because I am a cow. Moo!
Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
Moo!
The end. All right, guys, get out your pencils. We're going to learn how to draw a frog. All right, my friends, we are going to draw a frog. The way we are going to do that is we are going to start off with an egg shape in the middle of our paper. So we are going to draw our egg shape right here, just like this. And an egg shape has a curved top and a curved bottom, but the curved top is a little bit smaller than the curved bottom. We're going to give our frog 2 eyes by drawing circles at the top of our egg shape. And then we are going to give our frog a little smile. Just like that. To draw our frog's legs, we are going to draw half heart shapes on either side of the bottom of our egg. So we are going to draw up and down and up and down, just like 2 halves of a heart. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to give our frog little feet. And I'm just going to give him 3 little toes on each side. Our frog needs some front feet as well. So we're just going to draw them starting in like the middle of our egg shape, 2 lines down and little feet here. Just like that. If you have an eraser, you can go ahead and erase the lines right here. I don't have an eraser because I'm using my crayon, but if you want to erase, go ahead. We're gonna give our frog some little eyes inside here. I'm gonna go ahead and color those in black right now. There he is. I'm gonna put my frog on a lily pad. So I'm just gonna draw a shape with my crayon just like this. And you'll see that become more of a lily pad once I color it. All right, and then I'm gonna give some water back here since he's on a lake. All right, I'm gonna get out my marker and do some tracing. All right, I'm gonna use some different shades of green to color in my frog and my lily pad. I want my frog and my lily pad to be two different kinds of green so you can kind of see the difference, but you can color your frog any color you want. And because I want my background to be the sky and the water to be two different shades of blue, what I'm going to do is I'm going to color my sky with a crayon, and then I'm going to color my water with my watercolors. All right, there's my frog sitting on this little lily pad. Go out and pretend to be something today. Stay tuned for some pictures that you guys have sent me, and I'll see you next time on the refrigerator.